Hello and welcome to Swedish Countrylife. Today I'm going to try to replace the gas springs on this Kia Ceed. It's not my car, it's my wife's car, but I think I'm more annoyed about it than my wife is, so I'm going to try to do something about it. I have borrowed her car a few times and every time I'm trying to open it, it doesn't want to open more than that, and it's perfect to just smack your head in this. It doesn't seem to be so hard to change them, so I'm going to give it a try. So I went to Biltema and got those two. They say that they were made for this car, and yeah, I hope they are. Well, this is going to be the first time I'm changing a couple of those, but the best way to educate yourself is to watch YouTube videos on how to do it, and it seems quite easy, so I think I can handle this. You need a flat screwdriver. I didn't know which one to take, so I took a small and a bigger one, and I think the smaller one will be better. So here you got the scora that you will place the screwdriver in with it, press it out a little, and just for my own sake I'm going to keep a steady hand here just to keep it up if it wants to slide down on myself. And then it plops back out, so out with it, and and it's done. Easy as that. Wow, that was really easy. Yeah, it really wants to slide down now, and I should have something to keep it up with, and I have nothing. Easy. If you're two, someone can help you with just keeping this up, but I will do the same with the other one now. In with the screwdriver, plop it out. There we go, and it's done. And easy as that. I would recommend to take a board or something, träplanka, and steady up this baklucka. Yeah, first one is gone. When we're done with that, take a little paper. We're wiping out the gross stuff here, cleaning it up a little. That looks much better. Same with this one, just clean it up a little. There we go. Now we open the package. First we snap out the brackets here, like that. And this one, just a little, so it's easier to fit it, like that. Then you take the broader side, down here, in with it, and snap it on. Click! There we go. And now you can turn it. It's on the wrong side, so I just... there we go. A little more. Alright. And plop it out again. Oh. There! Ow! And snap it on. And it should be done. Oh, it's on there. Yay! First one, no problem. Yeah, a little problem. I shouldn't lie, but it would be easier to be two on this, or get a plank or something to hold this up. But first one is the worst one. Now the second one should be much easier. All right, let's do it again with the second one here. Got my screwdriver. losing the bracket. And let's see if the baklucka will want to stay up or not. But there we go. It doesn't want to stay up, but all right, let's do it again. This one. And there we go. Doesn't want to stay up, unfortunately, but take our paper, cleaning it up a little, and there we go. Looking much better. Taking the second spring. Just for fun, we can try to not prop this out and see if it works anyway. The big one on the bottom. Oh, it does. You don't even have to prop it out when it's the new one. Up a little, and there we go. And it's done. Now let's try it out. All right, let's see if it's working better now. Oh, it wants to get up again. That's exactly what I wanted. You just have to open it. Just a little touch up and it follows up. And now I can almost fit here. It's amazing. Well, that was the easiest fix ever, I think. And if I can do it, you can do it. And don't hesitate to try it out. You really don't need the original parts. You can get a few cheaper ones. It doesn't mean that those will hold forever. They will probably be worn out quite faster. I guess that, but I don't know. We will see. Just for now, I'm really happy about the result, and this is what I wanted. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.